A misplay terms violation warning usually means the system caught activity that looks like it breaks the platform rules. And if you ignore it, the next step can be account suspension. By the end of this, you'll know what triggered the warning and how to fix it before it turns into a ban. Here's the direct answer. Mistplay flags accounts when it detects behavior outside normal use. The most common triggers are VPNs, duplicate accounts, emulator use, modified APKs, or reinstalling games to farm first-time rewards. Start with the obvious check. If you have a VPN running, turn it off now. Mistplay tracks location consistency, and if your account says one country while your IP says another, that can trigger a terms warning. After turning it off, force close Mistplay and reopen it. Next, check for duplicate accounts. If you signed into more than one Mistplay account on the same device, stop using the extra ones. Mistplay generally treats one user and one main account as standard behavior. Multiple accounts can look like reward abuse. Now think about how you installed your games. If you installed a Mistplay game manually from the Google Play Store instead of using Misplay's direct link, that can break tracking. If you then uninstall and reinstall trying to force rewards, the system can flag that pattern. That's a common mistake. Another check is your device setup. If you're using an emulator, rooted phone, or modified Android system, Mistplay can detect that as non-standard usage. That can trigger a violation warning even if you didn't mean to break rules. If that applies, stop using Mistplay on that device. Now, don't do this. Do not create a new account to avoid the warning. That can escalate the issue fast. Instead, contact Mistplay support and explain exactly what changed before the warning appeared. Be specific. Write something like, I received a terms violation warning after reinstalling a tracked game on July 4th. I use one account and no VPN. That gives support context. If you recently switched devices, mention that too. New devices, factory resets and backup restores can sometimes trigger account reviews because Mistplay sees a new environment. Quick recap. Turn off VPNs. Stop using extra accounts. Avoid reinstall loops. Don't use emulators or modified devices. Contact support with exact details if the warning stays. Your next step is simple. Review what changed on your account in the last few days and fix that first before playing again. If this helped, like the video and subscribe for more Mistplay fixes, ban prevention tips, and reward troubleshooting.